Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome on my channel. So today I'm gonna color my hair myself at home. Yes, you heard it right. I'm gonna color my hair myself. So now it's my natural color, a super dark black, like the blackest black you can ever see, and I'm gonna color it with this box right here. So it's from Clairol, Texture and Tones. The color is 7G, light is blonde. It's blonde here. So I know that on my hair it's not gonna look as blonde, and I hope so that it's not gonna look as blonde. The effect that I'm looking for is like a ombre brownish color. So I got two boxes. So first I'm gonna apply one box in the lower part of my hair, like here, so that's gonna be the lightest color, and then the other box I'm gonna apply it on the remaining part of my hair. But I want to keep my roots black. I feel like it's I like this effect, so that's what I am going to try. So I hope that it's not gonna turn out blonde but brown, as I said. So we're gonna try that, and I don't plan on keeping this color on for like forever or for too long, only for like 2-3 months, just because I need a change in my hair. So that's what I found. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you the process of me coloring my hair at home, and if it doesn't turn out right, then you're gonna know what not to do. All right. Okay, so I just opened the box, so I'm gonna show you what's inside. So of course there is the color here that's supposed to be the activator, but there's like nothing written on it, but that's supposed to be the liquid activator thing. Then it comes with a conditioner, of course, and if you're going with lighter shades, it usually comes with a booster packet. So that's the booster packet. It comes with gloves and of course the instruction sheet. So what I'm gonna do first is pour the activator and the booster packet inside of the white bottle thing. Okay, so I mixed everything together. So now I am going to apply it on my hair. just gonna keep it for like 5 more minutes, I think. Then I'm going to rinse it out and I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I am out the shower, so I shampooed my hair. So now we're gonna see the results. But you gotta keep in mind that when the hair is wet, it looks darker. So that's my hair. Okay, yeah, so this part is lighter than the rest, but yeah, my hair is brown, guys. Alright, so then I'm just gonna put my treatment, my hot oil treatment. I'm gonna put on my rollers and then I'll be back for the final results when my hair is gonna be all dry. Okay people, so I am back with my brown hair. I'm not sure if you can really see it on camera, but it's definitely brown. So I'm very happy with my results, except for this part right here. As you can see, like there's a bunch of color and then it gets black. Like I don't know what happened here, but we're just gonna hide that. So for the most part, I am very happy with my color. It didn't turn out to be a ombre, it's just like a plain brown color. I am also fine with it. So right now it is a little bit big and frizzy just because it's very humid outside, so that's why. But yeah, this is my results. So as I said, I don't plan on keeping it for too long, just for like 2-3 months, then I'm gonna go back to black, I think. But yeah, I'm sorry, I am touching my hair a little bit too much right now, but I am feeling my hair. Mom, j'essaie de filmer, man. Look at my hair. Alright, so thank you for watching, guys. Bye.